Oxygen, the lifeblood of our planet. We take it for granted, this invisible gas that powers our every breath. But what if suddenly there was more of it? Imagine a world with triple the oxygen, a whopping 60% instead of the usual 20%. Would it be a utopia of clean air and boundless energy, or a recipe for disaster? Let's dive into this thought experiment. Picture this. You wake up feeling more energetic than ever before. Your mind is sharper, your steps lighter. This is just one of the potential benefits of increased oxygen. But hold on, before you jump for joy, there's another side to this coin. Remember those warnings on matchboxes about fire hazards? They exist for a reason. With triple the oxygen, even a tiny spark could ignite a raging inferno. So, while the idea of a superoxygenated Earth might sound appealing at first, the reality could be a lot more complicated, even dangerous. Let's explore the possibilities and pitfalls of this hypothetical scenario. The human body is a marvel of adaptation, but even it has its limits. Higher oxygen levels would mean our cells receive a turbocharged supply of energy. Imagine athletes breaking world records with ease, or scientists experiencing heightened cognitive abilities. However, this surge in oxygen could also be a double-edged sword. Our bodies are accustomed to a delicate balance. Too much oxygen and we risk damage to our cells, a condition called oxidative stress. Think of it like overinflating a balloon. It might look impressive for a while, but eventually it's going to burst. And then there's the fire hazard. With oxygen levels that high, wildfires would be a constant threat. Our homes, our forests, even our clothes would be at risk of going up in flames with the slightest spark. So, while the initial boost in energy and brain power might seem tempting, the long-term consequences for humans are a mixed bag, to say the least. It's not just humans who'd feel the impact of an oxygen-rich world. Insects, for example, breathe through tiny tubes called trachea. With triple the oxygen, these creatures could potentially grow to monstrous sizes. Imagine encountering a spider the size of a dinner plate, or a dragonfly with the wingspan of an eagle. It's a scenario straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's not entirely implausible. Larger animals would also experience changes, although perhaps not as dramatic. Their metabolism and lifespans could be affected, leading to unpredictable consequences for the entire ecosystem. The delicate balance of nature could be thrown into disarray, with unforeseen repercussions for both predator and prey. The implications for biodiversity are complex and far-reaching, highlighting the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The possibility of a hyper-oxygenated Earth is a fascinating thought experiment full of potential benefits and risks. On the one hand, we could see a surge in human potential. With increased energy and brain power, the natural world could also witness remarkable adaptations, with the potential for gigantism in insects and other creatures. However, this increase in oxygen could also lead to catastrophic consequences. The risk of uncontrollable wildfires, potential damage to human health, and the unpredictable effects on ecosystems are all serious concerns. Ultimately, the question remains, would a 200% increase in oxygen be a blessing or a curse for our planet? It's a complex question without easy answers, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Only through careful scientific exploration and a deep understanding of our planet's systems can we truly comprehend the potential impact of such a dramatic change.